Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Getting your new iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max is always an exciting venture. Everybody loves getting their hands on their fresh new gadget, especially when it's an Apple product. However, amongst all that excitement, you don't want to get scammed and receive a fake or refurbished iPhone in the process. But how exactly do you find out if an iPhone is real? In this tutorial, I will show you how to know if iPhone is original. Method 1. Use Tenoshare iCareFone to test. The simplest and arguably the most convenient method to check if the phone is original is with Tenoshare iCareFone. If you are wondering how to check iPhone is original or not without any technical knowledge, iCareFone is simply the best option for you. Besides handling your iPhone's data for you, iCareFone also has a nifty feature to perform an accessibility test on your device. Through this test, you can find out whether all the functionality of a device is working normally. Download and install Tenoshare iCareFone from the official download page. Connect your iPhone to the PC. Tap Trust this computer when asked on your iPhone screen. Open iCareFone. On the home page of iCareFone, click View right next to the Test Report label. Then a window will pop up. You will be able to see whether your iPhone has been disassembled or not. In the table right above, make sure the status of every test result is normal. Method 2. Check model number. You can use the iPhone's model number to see if it's a real one. If you are wondering how to check if iPhone is original using model number, this section has got you covered. Then check your model number according to the following information, which will help you figure out if your device is really a new device purchased from the Apple official or not. Go to your iPhone settings app, find and tap on General, tap on About. From here, note down the model number and serial number on a piece of paper. The first letter of the model number indicates the source of your device. M means it is new from Apple retail store. N means it is a replacement device from Apple. It means that iPhone gives you a replacement device for your original device has some problems. The replacement device can be new and it also can be refurbished. P means it is a personalized device with engraving. F means it is a refurbished device. Method 3. Check warranty. If you are wondering how to know if your iPhone is original using its warranty status, this section is for you. If the seller of the iPhone claims the device is new and under warranty, you can check its warranty status to see if that's true. Hence, how to know if my iPhone is original by checking warranty status. If the phone is box packed, you can find the serial number on the box of the device. If the iPhone is unboxed and active, you can find its serial number by going to Settings, then General and last About. Note down the number. Go to Apple's official coverage check site by clicking here. Enter the serial number to check the warranty status. Method 4. Check hardware performance. Another solid solution to how to check iPhone original or fake is through checking its performance. You see, iPhone are some of the most powerful handheld devices on the market right now. Clones and fake iPhones don't have the same performances as real device. Here's how to check the hardware of an iPhone. Open and try the camera. Check speakers by playing music. Check the microphone by recording a video. Check for dead spots on the screen by dragging an app icon throughout the surface area of the screen. Record 4K video and check battery drop. Check battery health in settings. Method 5. Go to Apple Repair Store. If you have tried all the methods mentioned above and are still not satisfied, there's a last resort too. If you have a gut feeling that there's something wrong with the iPhone you are going to get and wondering how to check if iPhone is original or refurbished, you can go to an Apple store. Apple's repair technicians have specialized tools that they use to check whether an iPhone is original or fake. With their help, you will be able to find out the originality of your iPhone in no time. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.